Now, it's again. Finished. She finished already breakfast. Okay, she ate 2 eggs, you see? She ate already 2 eggs. Ayan, boiled eggs, half only. Not too much boiled, not too much hard. Okay. And then the milk, chocolate milk, some cheese only. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Now I start cleaning in the room. Oh no, in the kitchen, not all, just on the floor. And then the office, because maybe she is still there to work. Okay. So that's again. Once again, that's all. Once again, that's all. Bye. No, not yet bye, because I didn't yet finish. Okay. I'll just stay only this one here to all. Okay. Just little bit to make a look around my brush. Just to brush. Later, I clean, when I clean in the, what's that? In the office, I make the sala, and before I finish the sala and then kitchen again. Okay? So go on again, I start for cleaning. I'll start for brush. Brush the floor. Brush. Kasi brush naman yan eh, kaya brush eh. That's why I call this one brush, because this one is brush, ha? Ay, nako. Ganito na lang talaga ang buhay. Magsasalita na lang ako ba mag-iisa. Kasi ganun na talaga ang trabaho ko araw-araw. Kaya linis ko eh. Linis. Para pag pumunta kasi hindi magtapon pala ako ng basura pagkatapos nito. Tapos mag-brush. Tapos yan, tapon muna pala ako ng basura. I throw my garbage, kalat. Okay. This one, tapon ko. Basura. Para mabawas-bawasan yung kalat ko dito sa kitchen. Okay. Ayan. Ganito na lang. That's what I do every day. At least you also that you are watching. Huwag mong lisi-lisi. Don't lisi-lisi. Kumbaga pa. Don't lisi-lisi. It's not our behavior be lisi-lisi, no. It's not good. Kaya wake up. And that one also is daily exercise. All of us, especially for the mga housemaid in the house, or even yung mga madam, mga mother working at home, so that is already necessary exercise. Kaso yun, ba't hindi ako pumayat na? Sabay pang ganun. Okay. So now, iuna kong tapon to. Kasi mabibigat to ron. Ano yata mga product? Nilalagay mga product niya. Ayan. Ano to? Celebrating 25 years daw pala. Grabe. So, paano to basahin? Paano to i-pronounce? Botiquar, aywan ko. Paano yan ibasa? Oh, you can base it in the shape of this one. I don't know where is it here in Baghdad. Or you can search in the YouTube. I'm sure that they have already this one in their YouTube channel. So try. Even you are in UAE, so try to search in the YouTube and check what products they have there, especially to mga madams or mga women sa mga mahilig sa beauty, mga beauty more, okay? Tapon tayo. At ito naman din, dito to show, dito sa Baghdad. Oh, kaya amo po yata sa work din. Okay? Nice, very nice, very good. Talaga. Kami this one. No more, nobody. Sometimes, if they don't finish to drink this one, I'm the one to drink it in the morning or in the night, okay? Linis ko na lang to, tapos itabi. Sayang naman dito itapon. Okay? Okay, yala, bye-bye, really. I say goodbye now for my this morning video in the morning, because I start cleaning na. Okay, no, maybe if I have free time to download like that one, but now that like this one, so I say goodbye na. God bless you again, and thank you talaga, thank you, and I wish to support also to me again, and likes, if you want to likes also, and share if you want to share also. It depends on you, because I cannot command to you. I am just asking you a favor. Okay, bye. God bless us all. Good health, yun ang importante. Health, take care our individual health. Okay, bye bye. Nationwide and worldwide, alam nyo na. Kung mga pamilya ko na napanood ninyo, kasama na ninyo kayo dyan. Mga lahat, basta lahat. Bye!